Good.
Hello, my name is Valerie Boyd. Today's date is October 13th, 2018. I will be doing a demonstration today for lab exercise number 6. I will be doing a part of the exercise number 3, which is entitled Utilizing the Strength Shortening Cycle by Measuring Maximum Vertical Jump Height. Since I live in an apartment complex, I don't have the ability to extend vertically very far because of the ceilings. So I decided to go outside and tape a piece of paper to the wall so the tape will actually stick better when I extend vertically. So the first portion of this exercise is to grab all the materials. I have my tape, I have a pencil, I have a piece of paper to write down the actual length of the vertical jumps, and I also have my tape measure. So the first part I'll be doing is extending vertically to measure my height. So what I did there is I measured my vertical height so I will have something to compare to. So I'll take my measuring tape. Since the measuring tape won't be long enough, I'll have to add the centimeters together to get my total height. So I'll put this at the bottom here. Get another piece of tape to measure the midpoint. Okay, so this is about 150 centimeters here. And then I'll take the bottom of this so I can add it. And 1 centimeter is there. And I will extend up so I can add the total amount of centimeters I'm starting with. So in my actual lab exercise I performed, my total height was about 223 centimeters vertically. Next, I will perform vertical heights without using the stretch shortening cycle. So I'll be doing this by starting in a squat position and extending vertically as far as I can go. I will do this 3 times and then measure the height of each vertical jump. So I start in a squatting position and I extend up vertically and I release the piece of tape. To save time, I'll measure all 3 of my jumps at the end. So I'll do my second trial, get my piece of tape, start in a squatting position and extend vertically. As you can see, that one is a little shorter than my first one. One more trial. Start in squatting, extend up, go lower. So for my actual lab exercise I grabbed the tape, and I was able to measure each of my trials. To save time, I will tell you the number I received. So for the first jump I received, that was the tallest jump right there. It was 252 centimeters. For the second jump right here, it was about 250 centimeters. For the third jump I did, it was slightly under at 249 centimeters. So for the next part of my lab exercise, I will perform the stretch shortening cycle. I will do this by starting in a standing position, doing a short squat, and then extending vertically. So with the short strengthening cycle, I should be able to extend further and apply more force towards my muscles to actually help do so. So I'm in a standing position, I'll slightly squat and then extend more force up. So as you can see, I was able to actually extend my jump a little further than what I did with starting in a squatting position. I'll do this one more time. Standing straight up, a slight squat, and a jump. That one was slightly under the first jump I did using the strength shortening cycle. I will perform this one more time. And as you can see, that one was also slightly under. As you can see, the 3 that I did using the strength shortening cycle were above the ones that I did using starting off in a squatting position. This allows my muscles to apply more force to actually help me with my vertical jump. For my strength shortening cycle, I did the same thing where I took my measuring tape and measured every single point of entry for my vertical jumps. For those, I got 255 centimeters for my first jump, 252 centimeters for my second jump, and 248 centimeters for my third jump. All jumps which were higher than the jumps starting in a squatting position. And this will conclude my lab exercise for week 6 lab, muscle physiology.